like 2 more Jeeps up there.
I don't even have it on 4 lock yet. I'm gonna just do it
yeah.
4.
Neutral and then down. Boom. So now we're in 4x4.
Now we're in 4x4.
Ooh.
It's crazy how you feel the difference, low key.
You do, right?
Yeah.
You feel in the car?
It's a little
Yeah.
smoother.
Yo.
Yeah. You know, it's crazy to think that all of Lanai's roads were like, all of the roads were like this before.
Everywhere in life.
Yeah, literally.
No, but imagine we were here during this time.
Fuck that.
That would have been scary.
This must have been like crazy.
Oh.
They like they want them to sweat off
cool.
2 weeks.
You're recording, right?
That's already. This is
Good. It's alright, you can crop it.
No, I can't. Oh my god.
Oh, this is like the green sand.
Oh my god, this is giving me PTSD.
why PTSD?
So we got stuck.
We got stuck.
No, but with a
But you didn't have a Jeep,
No,
right?
no Jeep.
You should be good.
Oh my god.
No. When there's like money out there.
Oh my gosh. I'm just glad it's not like muddy, like
I know,
wet.
at least because it dried up a little bit.
Yeah, that would have been scary.
I wish it was more wet.
Oh my god, no.
Savage. Yeah, we're doing that. Nah, I'm not doing
Oh
it.
my god.
What do you think?
Why not?
I don't know. 'Cause-
Why?
Oh
The
my
Jeep is high
god.
too, though.
yeah, but I don't know. I'm kind of scared because that shit gotta be mad money.
Yeah.
Nah,
What
it'll
if
come
we
out.
get
It'll come out.
stuck
We'll
in
do
there?
it. Yeah. No, let's do it. But
YOLO. Oh my gosh.
you can call my phone.
Oh my god. It's
2
getting
deers.
real narrow.
And now
guys.
there's more
Real
deers than
narrow.
people here now.
Oh look. That's Keahiakawelo Reserve. I wonder what's over there.
Maybe we're going there.
Yeah.
Probably everything is on this road that we're doing on the way back.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh wait, actually, it was that way.
When you're coming here, there's 2 different paths where it shows like the reserve you want to like keep right instead of going left, because we just went left, but it's really supposed to be right.
What way?
Okay, so I was wrong. You actually have to keep straight. Don't go left or right. Just keep going straight. This is the road to go to Palihu Beach. Oh look, there's a few signs here that says Lapa Kiki. It says something over here. I'm not sure what it is.
At least they have signs.
Yeah. I mean, people were definitely here because you see the prints on the floor.
The GPS is good now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the right way.
Not my service, but just it's showing me like straight line. You guys hear the little plane? Oh.
Be safe because there's a big puddle, like a big puddle that we have to go through because that's like the dry part. So we're just gonna be safe rather than sorry and just close that off.
I think you pull it down from there. Because it's not.
Yeah, you probably gotta grab it.
Push it down. No, it's smooth. The water didn't fly up because it was in the case.
Oh shit. Oh, we made it out! Oh my god! Bro, the PTSD from Green Sand Beach is so real. Like, it's too real. I can't. This one is not bad. There's like a few little ones. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Whoa. I mean, we're getting closer to something.
That one tree is so...
That's an amazing view.
Wait,
There's a sign that says Garden of the Gods closed to hunting.
the deer, man.
Yeah, the only thing that's here are
Should we
deer,
open it
so
up? Then we're good.
we're going.
There's a up there.
Oh. Woo! You did that! I was scared.
That's a Jeep bit.
I was fucking scared.
This Jeep is a chump. Chump.
So the roads do get crazier. There are big rocks and it's not as good or like paved the way or whatever. The way is not as paved as it was when you first got in. But it's not that bad because we are on the Jeep. So it's making it a lot better. It's just a little scary. Wee. Yeah, it looks like down there is getting smoother though. But we do see the beach from here. It's just taking a little longer because the roads are so rocky like this. Whoa.
That's amazing. You know, they just break all these. They break rocks to make it.
Whoa. Whoa. There's another rock over there. Whoa. Getting closer and closer. I'm so excited. The beach is literally right there. Oh my gosh, the water looks so good, so clear. We just gotta get past these rocky roads first and then we'll be there. Ooh, we're sideways. Oh.
Who's that like that?
Whoa. It's right here. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so cool because we're gonna have the whole beach to ourselves. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to get in that water. It's so hot. It's low-key giving me like literally desert vibes. Oh my god. This is crazy. Whoa. Guys, this beach is so beautiful. I'm loving it so much. I love that there's like no one here that we have to bother. We're not in no one's way. The sand is like, when you're stepping on it, like it's pretty like flat. Like you see it's not really denting that much, but it is really, really, really soft. Let's go test out the water. Let's go see if she's cold. I brought my snorkeling stuff, but I'm super scared because there's definitely so much stuff in this water right here. Because there's no one here. There's no boats. There's nothing to like scare them away. Ah! It feels so good. It feels so good. I also think I'm paranoid because we saw all those whales. Ah, it's so clear. Ah! Oh my gosh. Whoa! She's coming to me. The water is so warm. I love it. Love it. And I think that's Molokai right over there, which is where we're gonna literally be at tomorrow. It's so long, the island. Like I see from like this point all the way to there. I'm so excited to be there tomorrow too. The beach is so beautiful. We're literally the only people here. And honestly, the drive to get here was so worth it because there's like nowhere in the world anymore that has roads like that. Like just earthy, natural roads. Like everything is paved. And that was like so cool to experience too. Like I'm so happy we came to Lanai. Everybody's always like, oh, there's not much to do over there. And we're only here for one day because of it. But that was such a cool experience. I was scared, but that was so nice. Okay, guys. This beach looks like somebody hasn't even been here in 1,000 years. But I'm gonna go in the water, even though I'm scared, for you guys to test this out. So let's do it! I had to get out the car to see how we're gonna like go up like this rock right here. Honestly, I think he should just like come through over here and then go up. I think you should come through here. Hold on. Go! I just busted my ass. Go, go. 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 Oh my god. Guys, if you saw that little fall, I just busted my ass. And my hand is red, but whatever. Low-key feel like it's harder to get back up than going down because you have to like climb up. So yeah,
look,
but it's been pretty
right
fun too.
Look, you know how America faked that they landed on the moon? That's where they put the flag, right there. Look, it's really in Lanai, Hawaii.
Oh
this is outer space.
Yep.
The real outer space.
You heard it here, guys. But yeah, but it's been more fun going up than down since we already like know we got to the beach safe and we had our fun. It's not fun when you don't know if you're gonna make it there. We made it to Garden of the Gods on like the GPS location. They only have like these two signs. This one says Keahiakawelo Heritage Site and Scenic Outlook. Loved are the grass blossoms at, I don't know how to pronounce it. Loved are the lehau blossoms of Milani. Loved are the sands of Palihua, which I'm assuming is the beach we were just at. Loved is the Homapili wind of the arid lands. Oh my god, since 1878. Wow. Oh wait, look, it's translated as the fire made by Kawelo. Kawelo was a priest of ancient Lanai, and several stories focusing on this region of the mana spiritual power of Kawelo have survived the passing of time. Oh my god. What the heck? That is crazy. Oh my gosh. I low-key feel like the whole thing, like the whole drive is like
The garden, right?
It's the Garden of the Gods. But I feel like this is just like the pinpoint for you to see like the signs. Let's read the other one. There's another one right over here. western region of Lanai, Palihua Beach, and other oh yeah, that is the beach we were at, and other legacy resources. Oh yeah, the 4x4 trail becomes more rugged as you descend towards Palihua Beach, where we were just at, which is very true because you saw how the ride got super crazy down there. This region has been stripped bare of most its vegetation by introduced goats, sheep, mouflon, and deer, wow, which have roamed the land since the mid-1800s. At various locations you will have vistas of, wow, oh my god, western point of Lanai, the islands of Molokai and Oahu, and glimpses of the northern coast of Lanai at Oahu. That is so cool. So yeah, this is the beautiful and infamous Garden of the Gods scenery. Very red, very beautiful.